Hi, it's me, Pam Vinny, and I have an unboxing with Grabie. They're so kind to send me a box every month, and this is the one we have here. And I just wanted to say first, I haven't done a video in a couple of weeks, just been doing things, like spring cleaning or purging household things, or just kind of busy with that. And I have been making some journals. I'm making 4 fruit ones. This was made from a placemat. So I have a lemon one, a strawberry one, a blueberry one, and then kind of a combined lime, lemon, fruit. So that one's kind of a tutti frutti. So that's kind of what I've been doing. And then when the weather's been nice here, my husband and I went to, there's some little beach towns. So doing that, had lunch with a friend this week, and just kind of busy with other things. When the weather's nice, you want to be outside. So yeah, so that's kind of where I've been, but I've still been crafting, and I'll show more of my fruit journals when I get them finished. So anyway, let's go into this Grabie box. And this one is, and I just opened the seal. I didn't look inside the box really. This is the Daily Investigator. Become the daily investigator of your own life. This curated scrapbook box blends the gritty charm of a noir detective with the art of personal storytelling. So this will be fun. The boxes are always really nice. Packed so well. Oh wow, look at it. How cute. I think I will, I'll take everything out. Try not to be too crinkly, and then we'll go through it. So this is a monthly scrapbook box, and I will have a link in the description where you can get this, and they have a discount code PAM15 if you're interested in getting one. Okay. Detective Palettes Multicolor Craft Ink Pad. This has probably got a variated color, plus these fun little, it seems like I had some of these, but I don't know where they are, but these are nice to ink with. So you've got 3 different colors of that. Oh, look at this. We have like it's a real actual glass magnifier. Feels like glass. Let's see, what can we magnify as detectives? Whoa. Let's see, so if you're looking at something small print, you can magnify it a bit. So that's fun. And then we have washi. Look at the danger. Keep out, warning. Stop. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 washi tapes. Awesome. We have a rusted metal number tag sticker pack. It's in a little metal case too. Here, I'm gonna sit down. Oh, that glares. I'm sorry. Ah, that glares too. How about if my lighting is not the best. We'll flip that. Okay, maybe this slides. Does it slide? How come I don't know how to do this? Yeah, slides. And you've got all these whole bunch of number tags. Kind of in a vintagey look. Those are cool. Rusted metal number tag. What is this? This is a double-sided dot runner. That's handy to have. So you just run it and there'll be little dots to it. Look at all this stuff in here. You've got an ID badge, of course, so that everybody knows that you really are a professional detective. There's a lot in here. The Daily Investigator. Got a couple of manila or craft envelopes, nice thick ones with these. You know, a little wind around. Okay, I'm just gonna. This is fun, huh? Look. War Department. Maybe I'll bring it down now. There we go. You got a pipe. You got all these pictures and like faux photos. Like who is the culprit? There's fingerprints. Lots. Location. That's clever. That is really cool. Lots of words, documented evidence. Oh, he's guilty. Look at that. Yeah, he's guilty. Guilty as charged. Okay. Wow, there's a lot in here. There always is. Packed full. Okay, now we've got some papers. Nice papers, nice paper. Wait. Wanted by the police. We've got 4 of these different colors. Okay, you add to your journal. And these are vellum. Some vellum with words. Look at that. And more cool vellum. And these are lightweight papers, but just a nice quality feel to them. Look at coffee guide. Paper look. Like nice bases for tags or for journal pages. Oh, here's your magnet. So you always get a free magnet. And look at this magnet. So it just pops on the side of a page. It's funny. Oh, good. I always need these little ink, you know, press down your ink with. So you could use that with your stamps. Top secret, classified. Smoking gun. All the little things you'd need as a detective. Fingerprints. Cool. These are a sticker pack. They look, are there more than one? They look thicker. The lead detective. Yeah, there's a couple in here. Yeah, they're like thicker. Cool. I know there are people that do kind of detective mystery crime journals. Ooh, look at this. This looks like a journal. Pretty, a notebook. Like a faux, like kind of leather or suede. Oh, and it has a little pen right here. There's some nice paper, quality paper. Very nice. Excuse me. You got a ribbon closure with a charm on it. Different color paper too. And then the pen is right in the edge here. Cool. Awesome. And then finally we have the lead tracker sticky memo kit. So these you can pull off like a little sticky notepad. So that is very nice. You get a lot of stuff in there, and you could make, you could just decorate this notebook right here. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.